Cyclone Alfred is a powerful storm system developing off the coast of Queensland, Australia. It currently sits as a Category 2 cyclone. Experts predict it will continue to strengthen. Landfall is expected between March 6th and 7th. This area encompasses a large region from Brisbane to the Sunshine Coast. Cyclone Alfred poses a significant threat to residents. The storm's projected path puts millions of people at risk. Authorities are urging everyone to take the necessary precautions. Preparation is crucial for minimizing potential damage and ensuring safety. The storm is anticipated to bring a multitude of hazardous conditions. These include destructive winds, torrential rainfall, and dangerous storm surges. Coastal regions are particularly vulnerable to the devastating effects of cyclones. Cyclone Alfred serves as a stark reminder of the power of nature. It underscores the importance of preparedness in the face of such events. By taking proactive measures, residents can mitigate risks and protect themselves and their communities. Cyclone Alfred brings with it the threat of damaging winds. These winds have the potential to reach speeds up to 120 kilometers per hour or 75 miles per hour. Such strong winds can uproot trees, damage infrastructure, and create hazardous flying debris. In addition to the wind, heavy rainfall is another significant concern. The cyclone is expected to unleash torrential downpours, leading to widespread flooding. Low-lying areas and coastal regions are particularly susceptible to flooding. The combination of heavy rainfall and storm surge poses a severe risk of coastal erosion. The powerful waves and surging tides can erode coastlines, damage properties, and inundate low-lying areas. These potential hazards highlight the importance of heeding the warnings issued by authorities. Residents should stay informed about the cyclone's progress and follow the guidance provided by emergency services. One of the most crucial aspects of cyclone preparedness is staying informed. Residents should closely monitor weather updates and warnings from reliable sources such as the Bureau of Meteorology or BOM. Preparing an emergency kit is essential for every household. This kit should include essential supplies such as water, non-perishable food, a first aid kit, flashlights, batteries, and important documents. Securing your property is another vital step in preparing for a cyclone. This includes bringing loose objects indoors, trimming trees near buildings, and reinforcing doors and windows. If authorities issue evacuation orders, it is crucial to follow them promptly. Evacuation centers will be set up to provide safe shelter during the storm. Once Cyclone Alfred has passed, it is essential to exercise caution while returning home or venturing outside. Be aware of potential hazards such as downed power lines, debris, and flooding. Check on your neighbors, particularly the elderly or vulnerable individuals who may need assistance. Community support is vital during the recovery process. Contact your insurance company to report any damages and inquire about the claims process. Document the damage with photographs and keep records of all communication. The impact of Cyclone Alfred serves as a reminder of the importance of disaster preparedness and community resilience. By learning from this experience, we can strengthen our ability to withstand future events.